Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb mode on iPhone with iOS 26. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to swipe down from the top right of the screen, and as you can see here, there is like an option called like focus. You have just to click on it. So for example, now I activated the like do not disturb mode. So to activate it, you have just to click on it, and as you can see, the do not disturb mode is on, and I can turn it off also. And like this, you can turn on or off the do not disturb mode on iPhone with iOS 26. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question, put it in the comment section and I will be sure to answer your question in our next videos. And see you in the next one.